got mail. You've got mail. You've got mail.
What are y'all doing? Catnip now. We have catnip now. Look, y'all, I jammed my finger. Look how terrible it is. I've been pulling it out. Anyway, that's why I keep using my middle finger, and I messed my nails up today with all the stuff I was doing. Anyway, let's get something else. Hold on, so I can show ya. Okay. There we go. Scissors. That's catnip on the bottom. Then I had to skip a layer because I don't want cat hair on my food, so I'm not going to use that tray. Then I have thyme, and sage, Italian oregano, and rosemary. And I'm waiting on my Thai basil and sweet basil to come in. So the cats have discovered the catnip. Right there where his foot is. You see his foot? His little foot right there. Yeah, that's the catnip right there. So, they've been roly-polying and enjoying the catnip. Hey, Baz. Hey, girl. What your mommy doing? Hey, girl. Well, everything's looking great. More stuff's coming in. I'm planting more stuff. I'm waiting on the big grow bags. I got buku soil. I can't wait to transplant my Cherokee purple tomatoes right there. And I'm propagating one that's in the windowsill now. In the windowsill. Because it was under the grow light. My life plant's doing good. The eucalyptus, everything. I'm waiting on the ginger to sprout. That's going to be a while. But yeah. And then this thing, this beautiful $7 Monstera. Look at that. I used that pot that was out in my backyard with the purple leaves, transplanted.